Zhongshan Gamder Electric Appliance Company Limited was established in 2007 and is located in Zhongshan City, Guangdong Province. Our company covers an area of 28,000 square meters and has 380 employees. We specialize in research, development, manufacture, and market. Our main products include wall switch, wall socket, smart switch, smart socket, and lighting. The ARTDNA is our brand, focuses on the international market, and the products are designed in a modern style. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as American, Middle East, Europe, Africa, and Asia. ARTDNA is a global brand, and we have agents in most countries around the world. Besides, we keep making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. Our company has a national certified laboratory to strictly control the product quality. We pass ISO 9001 and ISO 14000 factory audited and get certifications. Products obtain CE, CB, ASTA, SQM certificates, and so on. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation for our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. All customers at home and abroad are warmly welcomed to cooperate with us for common success.